3 things I really like about 3D printing. Number 1. Number 2. Bringing your imagination to life, creating anything you've ever wanted, even from your childhood. Whether it be props, cosplays, replicas, collectibles, even stuff from your favorite video games. Number 3. Like so. Oh, that never gets old. So satisfying. Oh, clicks in perfectly. Oh, it's satisfying when it clicks in. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section, and you have a wonderful day.